Hey everybody, so I just wanted to show some of the new functions of Genius Scheduler. It's a tool, a Chrome extension that lets you schedule your posts to your personal profile, to your business page, or in a group. So you can see or if you may have not used the old one, you've got a improved user interface. So we've got all the posts that I was scheduling to test. We can change and add different post types. So if you have things that are value posts and you want to know that you have a library or you've saved certain posts as value posts, you can go in there. What we've got is tags, so you can further subdivide it. So if you've got a post that has different criteria in it, you can add those tags to it. And we've got content library. So if you've saved or made posts that you want to save and just reuse them, you can store them here. And this is the main place where you'd set up everything. So you create a new post. That opens up. You can go to one of your past posts that you've already used. You can pick a post type, connection post, engagement. If you want to talk about a certain topic, you would say here. So there's Genius Scheduler. And for here, again, you can post it to your personal. This is a business page, Facebook Productivity, where I go over a lot of the different extensions that I'm selling. And if you want to try anything else, let me know. And Get Your Groove Funnel On is another page. I've got Groove Funnels is one of the easier to use funnel builders, and it's free. You can have up to 3 sites. So anyway, so you check your date. Just click one of those, pick the time. Say you want it in the future, and this is a test. And what the cool thing is, they've added being able to add the backgrounds. So you can choose one of the backgrounds down here, make it a little bit more colorful. If you want to attach a picture, you can. Just go to your location. It'll come up. You can search. Here's some Genius Scheduler stuff. So I will just go into there and select that. And let's see, get rid of that. I clicked too many places. And so let's see, that's for 5:30 today. So now I can go on with my day, make sure that this is going to be scheduled and other people can see it. And that's pretty much it. If anybody wants to demo it, try it out, let me know. I'm happy to show you how it works. And that's about it.